Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be like a little vlog style type video, just because my camera is just not working out for me. It just doesn't record everything. It kind of just like stops recording a lot. I don't know if it's because I need a new SIM card, like a bigger SIM card. So I'm going to be filming this particular video on my phone for you guys, which I hope is okay. I mean, everything is the same. It's just I think the quality will be the same, to be honest with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to make these little cute, what would I call, they're like little baskets for Easter. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. My hair is a mess because I just got out of the shower and it's frizzy. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to make these these baskets for Easter. I'm going to be using them as prizes. You guys can hand them out. You guys can do whatever you guys want with these if you guys do decide to make them. Personally, I'm going to be using them for prizes, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. We're in this together because this is the first time I've ever done this before, so it might be a trial and error. I might mess up, but that's totally okay. So let's just go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys the materials you guys will need. And I have this cardstock type paper because you do need something to put under the basket. So I'm using cardstock. It's craft paper. Hopefully it works. And then a glue gun along with the glue sticks. I have a bag full. And then you're gonna need, it doesn't need to be Sour Patch, but you're gonna need this size box, like of any candy of your choice, a pencil, some ribbon, some nerd ropes, and then I have some grass, and then the candy. That'll be for after. Right now, the main thing you'll need is this. So let's get right into it. I'm hoping that I'm able to do it. I'm waiting for my glue gun to heat up so we can get started. And then, yes, let me just go get my little stand. Okay guys, so this is how it looks when it's finished. Because I did mess up, I glued the grass on so you don't see like my mistakes. My bad for doing that. Hopefully I don't mess up on the other ones, but This is basically how it looks, and I'm only making 3, so here's 1, and then I'm gonna make 2 more, and I'm done. Okay, so now I'm gonna do these, and I set one up, but I just don't get how to do it because it comes with these, and they're really small, so I don't know how to do it. I don't know. This is for the adults, so this is what they'll be getting. That's actually really cute. So I have like this style, and then I have this style, which I think this one's super cute too. And then the grass. So I'm gonna do those. Can you see me? Okay, so I'm gonna do those off camera, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, so these are the finished baskets. I used Mexican candy for these, so good luck to my family who doesn't really like Mexican candy, because same. And then these are the ones for the prizes. They're cute. There's 20 of these and then 3 of these. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys learned how to make these little cute baskets. I actually am obsessed. I feel like it is a little bit empty, so I don't know if I should add something else or if that's fine, because I feel like that already is a lot of candy, so I might just leave it at that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.